Welcome back, my young intellectuals. This is Hershey, your SST trainer, is back with the chapter number 10, which is our industries of your course book, Time Travels Acknowledged Series by Amit Publishing House. So, this is the picture of our industry. Have a glance to it and get ready. The raw materials used for this industry shown in this picture. So take the correct option. Just analyze this picture. This is the picture of automobile industry. Cars are being made here. So what all raw materials needed for it? It is aluminium, iron ore, glass, and all of the above. It is all of the above is the correct answer, right kids? So let's see more about the industries. The process of converting natural resources into finished goods using machines and human labor is called an industry. We have studied about the minerals, the ores we are taking from the mines, right? Now these ores are sent to the industries. Different types of industries are there. We'll discuss in detail, right? So what is industry? Industry is a place where raw material is converted into final good. Final good means what? Or finished goods. What does it mean? It means that this product is ready to sell in the market and you can use this. You can buy directly from the market and you can use this product. So where this product is made, so these products are made in the industries. So how we make these products? These products are made using several machine and human labor. People are working in the factories or in industries, right? And the goods are making in the industry, right? Finished goods are the product that have passed through all the stages of manufacturing and are ready for sale and it is available in the market. So finished good we have already understood. Now move on to the factors needed for industries to set up an industry. To set up an industry, certain things are required like finance or money, which is on priority, on top most of the list, right? Money is needed to set up an industry, right? To start an industry. Some other factors that we are going to discuss, these are raw materials, like how you will make final product. You need some raw material for this, right? As you can take the example of sugar, right? For sugar, what is the raw material? It is sugar cane. To make the jaggery, again sugar cane is needed. So sugar cane is the raw material to get, and what is the final product? It is sugar or jaggery. So raw material is needed, right? So the things from which products are made is called raw material. Most industries are located near the sources of their raw material. Why they are located near the sources of raw material? Because the transportation cost and the time which is involved to take the raw material to the industry can be reduced and final product can be easily made and make available to the market to purchase. Got it, kids? So that is why industries are being set up near to the raw material places, right, where the raw material are easily available. This helps in getting the best quality of raw material and saves on the transportation costs, because raw materials are bring to the industries, right? So it is not like you hold the thing in a bag and you are like giving to the industry people. Is it so? It comes in huge quantity, because so many machines are working in the industry. So raw material is needed in good amount, right, in good quantity. So the transportation cost like it comes in trucks, it is coming via passengers goods train, right? So it can be reduced, and time also, because the transportation time, it takes time to reach to the industry, so it reduce the cost as well as time to get the product from the industry, right? So raw material is very much required by the industry. Now next is machinery. Industries require different type of machine to convert raw materials into finished products, right? Machines are working. We cannot make the things, so many things by our hands, right? We need machines to make these things. So machinery is required to convert the raw material into the finished product. Next is power supply. How the machine works? Machine works on the electricity, right? So industries are located where the continuous power supply to run the machine. This power can be generated in power plant and through coal or water. I told you the hydroelectricity and the thermal electricity, right? So the electricity can be generated in power plants like through coal or water, and or in the nuclear power plant is the other way through which we generate the electricity. We will learn about the nuclear power plant in the upcoming chapters or in the higher classes, right? So coal and water and the nuclear power plants by which we get the electricity. So we set up the industries where the continuous supply of power or the electricity is available. Continuous supply of electricity, right? What happens if the electricity is not there? The machines will stop working and industry will stop, right? Now the labor is also needed. The people who are working, who runs the machine, who plans, who designs, right? Planning, designing and making the actual product. So labor is also needed in industry. Now the transport, the final goods or the finished goods that are made in the factories, how it can reach to the market? Via transport, right? So raw materials to the transport help in carrying raw materials to the industries and the finished goods to the market. So transportation is again play a very important role. Now the time for types of industries. Industries can be divided on the basis of raw materials and on the basis of their size, right? First we discuss about on the basis of raw material used. So first is agro-based industries. Now what is this agro-based industries, kids? They use agriculture products for their raw materials. For example, textile industry. Now how the textile industry needs agriculture material? It needs like the textile industry needs cotton. So cotton is an agriculture material, right? We grow cotton in the fields, and this cotton is brought to the industry, and then the cotton thread, cotton material is made, and with this cotton the cloths are made. Food processing industries like pickle industry, jam and sauces industry, they need agricultural products, right, to make jams, squashes, pickles, right? So these are called agro based industry. Now next is mineral based industry. They use mineral as their raw material. So minerals, we have studied about the minerals that we take out from the mines, right? And these minerals are sent to the industries, and these are called mineral based industries. For example, iron and steel industry uses iron ore as raw material, and oil refineries use petroleum as raw material. Have you understood, kids? We have studied about different types of ores and that the metals we obtain from these ores. So these ores are sent to the industries to get the final product. Like the iron, we get iron from the iron ores, right? And we obtain the petroleum products like diesel, petrol, white petrol, kerosene from the oil that we extract from the oil fields or oil wells, right? So these are the raw materials for mineral based industries. Now the last is forest based industries. Now what is this forest based industries? They use forest product to their raw materials. For examples, shipbuilding industry uses teak. Teak is wood. Teak as raw material, and paper is made out of pulp, wood pulp, again obtained from trees. So such kind of industries are established near forest, and these are called forest based industries. They collect the material from the forest, and final product or finished product is made in the industries. Now on the basis of their size, we have studied or we have discussed about the industries based on their raw materials and based on the size. Now it's time to learn about the industries on the base of its size. Now first is cottage industries. As the name suggests, cottage industry means it is very small industry, right? To set up this industry, a home of people means a family can set up this industry in their home only. They work with simple tools using the raw materials available nearby. You can see 5-6 people are working in this industry because it's very small. A family is involved in producing goods, right? They do not use machines. They don't use machines. They make these products with their hands only. Very few people are employed or engaged in this industry. So example of this type of industry or cottage industry are toys, biddies, cane, furniture, candles, handicrafts are the part of cottage industry. Pottery, clay products like diyas, candles, right? These are made in the cottage industry. So very few people are engaged in this business, or you can say it's a family business sort of thing, and it runs in a home only, and this type of industry doesn't need any type of machines, right? So this is called the cottage industry. You can see a woman, she is making basket, right? So this is type of cottage industry. Other type of industry is small scale industries. Small scale industries employ few workers, right? They employ few workers, means more people are working as compared to the cottage industries, and they use simple or small machines and raw material. Then cottage industry, to make finished products, people employed work in small factory. Here you can see near about 30, 40 or 50 people are working in this industry. This is called the small scale industry. Some machines are there to make the final product or the finished product, right? And few people are working here and few machines needed for this. Now it's time. Oh, it's examples are left. Examples of small scale industries are bakery items, hosiery goods, utensils, garments, electrical and plastic goods. These things are made in small scale industries, right? Now it is the large scale industries. Large scale industry needs lot of machines, heavy machine, a large number of manpower is needed. Manpower means people needed to work in the industry, in the big factory, or it is called the large scale industry. Large machine and large quantity of raw material is also needed for making finished goods, and as the large machines and large manpower is engaged in it, so a large quantity of raw material is needed. Here is the example, industrial region in India. It is Gurgaon, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram and Visakhapatnam, Bangalore, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Hooghly belt are some industrial area, right? So you have understood about these industries, right? So let's see about the large scale industry, few large scale industry. The first is the iron and the steel industry, right? It is large scale industry that is located near the iron ore deposits, right? It is important, as I told you, the industries are set up near the where the raw materials are easily available or near the source of raw material, right? And the coal mines. So iron and steel industries are set up. These are large scale industries and they are located where the iron ore deposits and the coal mines are there. The main centers of iron and steel production in India are Durgapur, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Visakhapatnam, Rourkela and Salem are some important areas where the iron and steel industries are established. This industry also supports many small industries. Here is a picture of iron steel industry at Jamshedpur. Right, kids? Now next type of large scale industry, which is cotton textile industry. It is an important industry of a country. The industry has centered located in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Madurai and Coimbatore. Right, the cotton textile industry located in Mumbai. You can see in this picture. Right. So now oil refineries, kids. These provide raw material for industries like fertilizers, cosmetic, rubber and pharmaceutical industry. What is pharmaceutical industry? Where drugs or medicines are made. This is called pharmaceutical industries. They are located in Assam, West Bengal, Bihar and Gujarat. Alright, now next is other industries. Other industries like electronic and engineering goods industries, right? These producing domestic appliances and machineries like tractors, pumps, telephones are based in Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. So, these kinds of electric and engineering related goods are being produced in Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad, right? Now, next is automobile. So, automobile plants are located in the cities like Ahmedabad, Gurgaon, Jamshedpur, Pune, Kolkata and in Nasik. Right, kids? Now, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Panaji and Kochi have famous shipping yards. So, this is the picture of shipbuilding yards where ships are being built, right? So, these industries are in Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Panaji and Kochi, right? Now, reform measures for industries. Industries make our life easier and more comfortable, but some industries causes air water pollution, right? Because the smoke that is coming out from the industries and the waste that is being dumped into the water or getting mixed with the water is increasing the air and water pollution. It is the concern area for us. Both the government and industries in India are making efforts to adopt better science and technology and practices that cause minimal damage to the environment. So, government and the industries are working together. They are adopting the science and technology, the modern science and technology equipments to minimize the air and water pollution, right? Other countries of the world have started using better and more environment friendly methods to producing goods. So, cost is also involved in adopting these technologies. So, government and industries are working so that pollution can be minimized, right? So, we have learned about lot of things. The industries, the small scale industry, the cottage industry and the large scale industries, right? Agro based industries, food based, agriculture, forest based industries, so many things we have learned. So, let's revise. Industries convert. What is the role of industry and why it is being established? It converts the raw materials into the finished product. Finished product means it is ready to sell in the market. Three main types of industries are cottage, small scale industries and the large scale industries, right? Some important industries in India are iron and steel industry, as we have studied in the last chapter. What the iron is very important for the growth of a country. So, iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry and the sugar industries. Now, it's time to do the question answers. What is the difference between a large scale industry and a small scale industry? define an industry, raw materials, finished products, goods with examples. What are the factors required for setting up the factory or industry? What are differences between a small scale industry and cottage industry? And what are some of reform measures taken by government for industries? We have explained or we have learned in detail while explanation, kids. So this is your homework again. Do it on your own, right? So that's it for today's session, kids. Stay excited for clamp of another videos. Connect you in the next class of SST. Till then, bye.